The most painful thing about being a YouTube content creator is posting a video that takes you 3 to 5 hours to make and then coming back after 8 hours only to see it has gained just 3 views. That's disappointing. As you can see, the video I posted on my YouTube channel a few hours ago got just 3 views, 0 likes, 0 engagement. That makes me feel sad, to be honest. My expectations was after a few hours the video should have at least 1k views, but 3 views, that's not good. So I decided to run views campaign for the video and let's see how it works out. So I'm gonna copy the video link and run campaign to it. Hopefully I get real engagement and not bots. Alright, so this is the website I will use to run the YouTube views campaign, and as you can see there's a service there with the name YouTube Real Human Views. I'm gonna click on that and check the category and the service too. So I'm also going to scroll down to read the service description. Alright, here it says the views is 100% real people that will like your video and even subscribe. Well, let's see if that is true. Alright, so after a few hours I decided to check if the campaign is running already. Okay, here I can see 233 views already and 15 likes. So I'm just gonna go to the video analytics dashboard. Here is the video analytics dashboard. Here we have 293 views. Okay, 10 subscribers. Wow, I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. I guess it's real human views after all. So far so good. My video was just 3 views before running this campaign, and after a few hours of the campaign, the video got 293 views so far, 15 likes and 10 subscribers, and the campaign is not even completed yet. Well, this is good, and the video reach also increases. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and like.